Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen California Ocean. This is a camper van. It has the impressive 199 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine. It also has a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The front of this camper van, it comes with some nice chrome strips in the grille. It also comes with front fog lights. It also comes with front assist with city emergency braking. This is a popular safety feature in the van range. It also comes in reflex silver. This Ocean comes with alloy wheels, which are 17-inch. To this side of the Ocean, it comes with a side opening window for extra ventilation on a hot summer's day. As you can see, there's the Ocean badge. Underneath the Ocean badge is the hookup point. To the rear of this Ocean, it comes with a tailgate, heated rear screen and rear wash wipe. In the rear bumper, it comes with rear parking sensors. This is ideal for when you're trying to park the vehicle up in tight spaces. As you can see, this camper looks stunning. As you can see, it's also got a near side sliding door with a side opening window for extra ventilation. This Ocean comes with 5 comfortable seats in Valley fabric. The 2 front seats come with armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This Ocean is a 4-berth. Up above the 2 front seats, it comes with a double bed. These are side ventilation windows. To the front of the camper, you've got an opening window. This camper comes with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. To this side of the steering wheel, it comes with cruise control. This van has covered 4,077 miles. Centre of the dash, it comes with a colour touchscreen multimedia system with satellite navigation. It's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen to make it larger or smaller. It also comes with DAB radio. It's also fitted with App Connect. App Connect allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also comes with a system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for your popular streaming apps, e.g. music or maps. It also comes with Park Pilot technology for your front and rear parking sensors. As you can see, it comes with front heated seats. You can readjust them by repressing the switches. It also comes with air conditioning. As you can see, there's a DSG automatic gear stick. Here we have your lifestyle control panel for your pop-up roof, which is electric. You can also adjust the auxiliary heater, refrigerator box. As you can see, this Ocean is fitted with a side awning. The side opening door is electric from key. Here we have 2 seats which turn into a bed. On the outer edges, it comes with Isofix anchorage points. This is the extra seat, which is a swivel seat, and it comes with armrests and Isofix anchorage points. Here is a table in front of the fridge. Here's 2 hobs and a sink. Underneath there is a handy cupboard. Here we have a cutlery drawer. Here we have the overnight heater. Now for a look at the load area. As you can see, there's plenty of space. You can readjust the seats, so you can pull the seats back. This rear bench here can be moved also as well. Here's a handy cupboard. Inside the rear tailgate, there's 2 deck chairs. Inside the sliding door, there's a picnic table for your deck chairs. If you'd like any more information on this used 20 plate California Ocean, please call 0121 260 3000 and a member of our sales team will be able to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a personalised detailed video on request. And thank you for watching.